The number of coronavirus cases continues to creep up across the country as federal, state, and local authorities work to slow its spread. Virginia is reporting at least 219 cases of COVID-19. 6 people have died, 5 of them on the peninsula. In North Carolina, there are at least 255 cases. No one has died in the Tar Heel state. Nationwide, there are at least 30,000 cases of the coronavirus. At least 370 people have died. Kentucky Senator Rand Paul is the first U.S. senator to test positive for the virus. Several other senators, including Utah Senator Mitt Romney, are staying at home because of their contact with Paul. As we've reported, the concentration of cases in Hampton Roads is on the peninsula between James City County, Williamsburg, and York County. There are more than 40 cases. And as we said, 5 people on the peninsula have died from the coronavirus. 10 on your side's Tamara Scott joins us now with the latest on this developing story. Tamara.
Well, Kayla, I just spoke with the acting director of the Peninsula Health District, Steve Julian. He says the 3 new deaths are all elderly women. And although this is sad, he hopes people will better understand how dangerous this illness can be.
This is going to get worse before it gets better. And we're going to have, unfortunately, more deaths. We're going to have many more cases.
And today, that death toll rises on the peninsula. Steve Julian, the acting director for the Peninsula Health District, says 3 more people have died as a result of COVID-19.
These were all females in their 80s. One of the patients from Newport News, one from Williamsburg, and one from James City County.
Julian says they've learned new things through their epidemiologic tracing of the virus.
We have found that these individuals are very social. They travel a great deal. They interact a great deal in the communities, within the district, between each other with social events, from church to card games, bridge games. And so there's a tremendous amount of interaction that occurs on a routine basis. That's important because that's how this viral illness is spread, is person-to-person close contact.
That emphasizes what health and state leaders have been preaching for weeks now. Stay at home, wash your hands, and practice social distancing.
This is going to get worse before it gets better. And we're going to have, unfortunately, more deaths. We're going to have many more cases.
But when we see people testing positive who are asymptomatic, Julian also wanted to reinforce the power young people have on the illness.
We really need everybody to understand that this is a World War II situation. And especially the young people need to understand that though they're at lower risk, they are at risk for the disease. Right. And more so, they're at risk of giving it to their parents or their grandparents.
Now in the state, there are 219 cases today. That is 67 more from yesterday. It's been said many times, and Dr. Julian emphasized this to everyone at home. Stay home, wash your hands, and practice social distancing. Tamara Scott, 10 on your side.